transfer learning. Someone is already learn or someone is already implemented a solution. You have just want to retrieve that API, or you want to just retrieve from the data sets. So for that, we can call it as a transfer learning. So we're going to see in the maybe the deep learning concepts whenever we are going to be showcased. So as of now, we're going to be explain up to some functionality. How does that going to be works out? So similarly, we have called as average word to vec and TF-IDF, TF-IDF with weighted average word to vec. So this is some extension with regarding the TF-IDF and also the word to vec model. So just taking some average according to the word to vec mechanisms what we seen, and just taking the average according to the all the data points and how many you can say all the words, whatever the words, unique words we have in the corpus. Similarly, the TF idea weighted weight, sometimes it's going to be works out. Okay, so you have tried backup words, you have tried TF IDF and word to vec, so you're not satisfied with your results. So at that time you can use these extensions. That is the reason I'm just explaining you. So we can also use these extensions in the maybe the Amazon Find Food reviews, maybe in the tomorrow, so that you will get some clarify how does this going to help us to improve our accurate values. So here also we're just taking averaging of TF-IDF weighted word to vec instead of taking only the word to vec model average. So just applying the TF term here to multiply with the word to vec model. Okay, so let's go and discuss with maybe this matplotlib. How does matplotlib is going to be help us in the ED analysis? I have just taken the novel data frame so that it's going to be help us. So you already know about some of the data. How does that going to be looks like? We have a state or countries and confirmed cases, some foreign nationals or not, curated cases or death or confirmed cases. So you can also retrieve this data sets from Kaggle. If you go to the Kaggle, maybe you will get tons of the data sets. Not only this, you can also play around with this Kaggle COVID data sets. Yeah, data sets. You go and type. Yeah, you will get tons of the data sets like this. You can also search by using the filters option in this Kaggle itself. Yeah, here is a one again. You can see here is a one again. You can also download this, some of the countries, confirmed cases, the death and recovery. You can also download and play around whatever the matplotlib consists of or documentations what we had. Then that's going to be helpful. You can also directly search here COVID-19 or maybe like that, like a keyword. So you will get something filter options here. Comments you want to check or notebooks or the data set. Just click on the data sets. You will get all the related filters also. If you want, you can also apply the CSV files or Excel files. You will get all the data sets. Tons of the data sets. Even Google data sets also there. If you go and search Google data sets, you will get some of the data from different sources. So they only implemented from 2020 Google datasets. Okay, so this is from research side. If you go to this link, you can see, you can search anything, you will get the Google datasets. Suppose I want to search COVID-19, you will get all the results according to, maybe it's not learning. Okay, yeah, hyphen is there. Yeah, you can see here tons of the resources from the different organizations they were going to be implemented with regarding their research or their citations they want to be understood. You can also filter by using any start updates. So that's how you can download anyone you want with regarding any kind of the keyword you want to mention it. So let's go and discuss this. So we have 4 data frames here. You can see individual details, COVID-19 India, and also ISP, some the data sheet. I have some other Excel sheet we had. So yeah, you can see this is COVID-19 data sets. Yeah, let's play around with this. Yeah, we don't have any missing value on this. That is cool. Yeah, so I just want to know about how much confirmed cases and death cases for this date, July 1st on 2020. So just want to display that. I will also perform some of the operations. What are the confirmed cases? So I just want to retrieve the data. What is the latest data? And I just given the some date. You can also play around with our current date and what are the different You can say you can also make it as a greater than, so that it will get how much data it is claimed from. And we got from 2019, right? You can also get it from 2019 maybe. You will also filter by using greater than and also the less than in between the dates. And you can play around with the confirmed cases what we have. You can also play around with the some statistics. How does the confirmed cases percentage, or in that region, how many the cases are cured, how many deaths is, and when compared to the cured cases, and what are the confirmed cases, what are the non-confirmed cases. So many things you have to do by using the statistics whenever you have some of the data sets. Okay, so let's go and visualize the things by using the matplotlib. So I have taken only the date, whatever we have seen as a July 1st date. So let's play around with that. I'm just sorting some of the values with the confirmed cases. You can see I'm just storing as a data frame. So in this data frame, I'm just taking the state and also the union territory. This is a column name we had, state you can say. So I'm just taking the top 5 columns. Okay, so and the data set we're just showcasing as a confirmed cases. And just this is all the parameters. Okay, so you want to color it out, or you want to align it center, maybe median or the left side. That's your wish. Yeah, these are also very helpful parameters, like labeling at the title. You want to add the some legends, you can get it from the documentation only. The show you want to show it. Figure size also, some of the cases figure size is also going to be helpful. You want to visualize how much type figure size. Yeah, you can see this conformer cases mostly in the Maharashtra side when compared to the all the states. And what is the value and what is the percentage of the value? How does the difference between the other states? You can also calculate and write some English ways. So just now, I think yesterday also I told this to write how to write these things. I mean, what are the different ways to write in a simple English, so that someone will go into understand. If the end users may not be a technical guy, he will obviously go into understand these Englishes only. Unless until you cannot be show this English, it may not be possible to get the idea, and it may not be possible to get the based on the decision they want to make on. If you are a business